Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Airfield had just been bought by a businessman, a Mr. Harrison. Pippa arrived home from a flight to find a lot of excitement.
Hi, Pippa.
Hello.
I've never been before.
What? Where?
And you're going too.
Budgie, what are you talking about?
Hi, kiddo. Isn't it great?
Isn't what great? Chuck? Chuck!
Ah, Pippa, good show. Chuck's making sure he's got enough fuel.
Enough fuel for what?
Well, for the trip, of course.
Lionel, what trip?
We're going to Paris.
Paris?
Here you are, your clean overalls.
Oh, great. Thanks a lot.
Phew, I wish I was going to Paris.
I'm not going for a holiday, you know.
Why are you going?
The new boss, Mr. Harrison, wants to go to the Paris Air Show.
Oh.
So he and his secretary are flying with Pippa, Budgie's taking Mike and me, and Chuck's carrying spares.
Well, next time you go, I'll come as officer in charge of overalls.
Rocketing rotors. Just look at them go.
But I bet they're not much good at carrying lobsters.
Say, those guys are really something, and that's only a rehearsal for tomorrow.
Yes, but I don't think you should be there, Chuck.
Say what?
Oh no! Wow!
Oh, oh boy! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
Chuck, are you all right?
Oh, sure. Fine.
So you finished sorting things out here?
I've just got Budgie to refuel.
He's not going anywhere today. You can do that later. How about we take a look round Paris?
Oh, great, man.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
How are you feeling now, Chuck?
Oh, I'll be fine. Once you stop moving around.
I'm not moving around.
You're not? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy.
Hello, mes amis. What are you doing here?
We just brought someone over for the show.
And now we're watching it.
It is good to see you. Eh bien, I must show you the sights of Paris.
Oh, could you?
And your friend,
Chuck?
Yes, Chuck must come too.
Gee, that's real nice of you. But I won't. Thanks. I'm just a little tired. Ugh.
Oh, eh bien, I see you later, Rotovator. Voilà, the Eiffel Tower.
Gosh, it's enormous.
Yes. Makes the Black Rock Lighthouse look like a toy. Wow, Ken. That's really massive, isn't it?
Let's see. Arc de Triomphe, built by...
Hey, Ken, look.
Good grief! Budgie!
I thought he was back at the airport.
And I stopped you refueling him. He'll run out. Quick, get a taxi.
Oh, another river.
The same one, the same.
It's huge. And look at those barges.
helicopter! Hello! Hello!
Whoops. Oh no! What's going on?
Budgie, there's something wrong.
I know!
Ah! Oh! Woo!
He must have run out of fuel.
Then he will go all the way to the sea. We cannot get him off there.
Wait a minute. We can't. But I think I know who can. You follow him. I'm going back to the airport.
But Pippa, what are you doing? Oh!
Oh no! Phew! That was close.
Chuck! Chuck!
How's that?
Chuck! Quickly!
Quickly? I'm a sick machine, kiddo.
But it's Budgie. He's in trouble.
Huh? You're kidding.
Please, Chuck.
Okay, I'm on my way.
No! Stop! You've got our helicopter!
Hey! Stop! Stop!
Stop!
Bonjour! Notre hélicoptère. Vous avez it.
Pippa to Genevieve. Over.
Hello? Genevieve here?
I'm on my way with Chuck. He'll rescue Budgie.
I hope so.
Oh, rocketing rotors. What am I going to do? Ah! Phew.
Stop!
Hey! Stop! Stop! Oh, Ken! I'm all wet.
Pippa! You had better be quick. There is a low bridge ahead of Budgie.
Oh, right. Did you hear that, Chuck?
I sure did. Let's move it.
There he is. And there's the bridge.
Dieu!
Hey! The helicopter! Behind you!
Hey! Stop! Stop! Ah! No! Ah! No! Ah! Oh, Chuck! Huh? Oh.
Aw, shucks. Got it.
Ah! Tirez! Tirez!
He did it!
Yeah! Phew!
Budgie! I came to say goodbye to a so handsome helicopter.
Oh, gosh.
Hey, the kid's embarrassed.
And to the strongest helicopter I know.
Oh! Ah! Gee! Wow!
Hey, that kid's embarrassed.